Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for aspiring software engineers, which is landing your first internship in 2024. And whether you're a student, a career switcher, or someone looking to break into the tech industry, this video is packed with tips and strategies to help you score that crucial software engineering internship. And why you should listen to me? Well, I actually landed an internship recently, and therefore I have real-time information about the industry and its needs. Some other YouTubers have landed their internship a long time ago, for example, like 2, 3, 4, even 5 years ago, and therefore that information is quite outdated. Also, I'm currently a student at a Finnish university studying technology. And in this video, I'm actually going to talk about my experience with especially in the web software development industry and how to break into that. And if you're watching this video, there are probably two different backgrounds of people here. You're probably either a student, or you have some little experience, or you're a career switcher, or then you're a self-taught programmer. And on the hiring phase, the same principles stand for both of these cases, actually. And the key is to build a strong foundation. Make sure your technical skills are up to date. You should work on projects that showcase your abilities, whether it's building a mobile app, contributing to open source projects, or creating your own software. Having tangible projects on your portfolio speaks volumes. And the key is, as I said, you should make sure your skills are up to date and you can compete with the other applicants. And at least in the web development industry, in my experience, the real key to success is to show your understanding of building real world full stack applications. So, therefore, I suggest to learn modern full stack development, for example, the MERN stack. MERN stack is a great foundation, so you can learn MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. You can basically build anything with that tech stack. And this is because even if the position you're applying for does not include programming with these technologies, you can really show your understanding of full stack applications and the development of full stack applications. And this is exactly what the recruiters are looking for. They know that they can teach you the frameworks and languages afterwards if you know, for example, the MERN stack. So the key here on the foundation building is you really need to know the three-tier architecture really well. So you have to know front-end development, back-end development, and of course also integrating some sort of a database here. So here on the screen now you can see the resume that I actually used to apply for my internship that I landed. And the first step really to break into the industry is to create a resume and a cover letter that are so good that the recruiters would be embarrassed not to invite you into an interview. So your resume and cover letter should stand out. You should tailor them for each application, highlighting the relevant skills and experiences. You should quantify your achievements and demonstrate the impact of your projects. A well-crafted resume and a cover letter can significantly increase your chances of getting noticed. And here on my resume, for example, as you can see, I don't really have any experience in the industry. The only experience I really had is my own company that I have used to do some sort of web development. Other than that, the key really lies here in my own projects and showcasing my programming skills. So for each project, I have provided my GitHub code, and you can also view it in the browser. So these are live projects. And speaking of previous work experience, the thing is that the more experience you have, the less you have to do your own projects. And the same works vice versa. If you don't really have any work experience, you really need to focus on making your projects stand out. And as I didn't really have any work experience before breaking into the industry, the projects I provided on my resume really had to stand out. And after that, the crucial step is in the projects. The sweet spot is 3 to 4 projects. All of them need to be full stack projects. For example, on my resume, you can see that I have 3 projects and they're all full stack. So they're all three-tier architecture. They have a front end with React, back end with Express, and then I've also used Node as the runtime and MongoDB. And I can give you guys a sneak peek about these projects that I've made and I've included in my resume. So guys, this is the first project I've included in my resume, and this is basically an application where you can browse and review university courses anonymously. The second one is to buy and sell websites and online services. So this is basically a platform that connects customers looking for a website creator and some developers that are implementing the website. And then this project is basically the same, but for AI projects. And about the projects, you should really make the projects your own. So don't do any to-do apps or something. Do something meaningful that really can solve a problem, preferably a problem that you have had in your life, and you use software to solve it. The project does not need to be a complete solution to a problem, but the key is to show that you can and are interested in problem solving. For example, in this course review app, in Finland, we really have the problem that there is not really a way for me to read or review the courses that I take in the school. And it was a real problem for students that you cannot review any courses before you take them. So this website allows you to search for the courses you want to take and see the reviews of the courses. For me, for all these three projects on my resume, it took about 300 to 400 hours to complete all of them. And this is basically aside from school. So this is on top of my all school courses. I used about 300 to 400 hours on these projects. And after you have submitted your resume, you've gotten the interview, the next step is to really crack the interview. And if you have a lot of these own projects, the interview should hopefully just consist of talking through your own projects with the recruiter. And so there is no need to solve 1,000 lead code problems. And at least this is my experience in the web development industry. And the key in the interviews is to really explain your thought process. So the way you can crack these interviews is to talk in a way that you sound like an expert. So you have to talk a lot and explain thoroughly everything you're talking about and really show that you know what you're talking about. And then as a bonus tip for you guys, is really networking and building connections. So networking plays a crucial role. You should attend tech meetups, conferences, online forums, engage with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn and GitHub. Building meaningful connections can open doors to internship opportunities that might not be publicly advertised. So, in a conclusion, securing a software engineering internship in 2024 requires dedication, persistence, and strategic planning. By building your skills, networking, perfecting your application materials, and preparing for the interviews, you'll be well equipped to land that dream internship. Keep learning, stay motivated, and believe in yourself. Thanks for watching, guys, and best of luck for your internship journey. Peace.